Hi, it's the Awesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm continuing my series of reviewing the products from OraWellness, and I will have a link below to their website so you can check out all that they offer, and they're great articles and interviews and videos, and they do such a wonderful job. Thanks to Will and Susan, also to Chris, a great customer service representative that I've been in touch with many times by email. So I'm continuing from the Healthy Teeth and Gum Starter Kit. Again, just reviewing the product, like how I feel about it, and also, like I said, I will do like a wrap-up video I call like a step-by-step of my own daily approach, and then also another video I'll also do at the end, excuse me, with other things that I'm using as well, or doing. So this one's going to be on the tongue scraper. And I did talk about it in the initial introductory video, so it comes in this very environmentally friendly package. It's just made from paper, zero waste, zero plastic, and it is stainless steel. And I wanted to just share with you what I was using beforehand, which was a good product, and I did review it as well. It's from a company called Wondrous. This is their tooth cleaner, and this is, if I remember correctly, it's like either medical grade or silicone, so it's not actual plastic, and it has like little kind of teeth like to scrape it, but it is kind of a small, narrower as far as the width here, and I mentioned it to the person who started this company that a wider one would be better. So this is what I was using, and now I'm using the actual one from OraWellness. So the fact that it is stainless steel is important because what that means, it doesn't harbor bacteria. And they tell you how to do it. You hold the handles with both hands, put the curved end of tongue cleaner as far back as comfortable because you can start to gag, and I've done that a few times. It's not terrible. And then you scrape towards the tip of your tongue several times and then rinse it off. And I do this, I use it twice a day. But I'll go through my step-by-step regimen at the end. So I wanted to say that I think it does a very good job. It takes off the buildup. Like if you've never used a tongue cleaner before, I've been actually cleaning my tongue for many, many years. But this does a really good job because it has a good surface area here, and you want to go back pretty far. Again, as far back as you can to get off that buildup, because that also harbors, as my understanding, maybe bad breath, or it's better that if you can get that off. It says for fresher breath and a healthier mouth. Because I like what they said here. By having a clean tongue help you speak words of beauty. That's really nice. So again, I will demonstrate more in detail when I do the end video. But yeah, it does a good job. It's a nice product. It's made really well. It'll probably last forever. As far as I can tell, I don't think there's a reason why it wouldn't. It doesn't seem to be getting any kind of like rust or anything. Although I do see some like slight change in like the color. Maybe it's from the water or something on the surface that I use for scraping it, more on the outside. Yes, I'm a little on the inside, but it's nothing wrong with it per se. So yeah, basically it's just a good product, and I highly recommend, if you've never used a tongue cleaner, a good idea to start using it. It does actually help a lot. And if you can do it twice a day, that's great. If you can do it once a day, if you can do it at all, that's just as good as well. So definitely, yeah, check out this product. It's the tongue cleaner from OraWellness, and I thank you for watching. It's the Awesome Vegan Gal.